Hi everyone, welcome to our class, LEC for the Online and Blended Teacher. I'll be your facilitator for this course. My name is Imasumak Marañon Davis. It's a long name, I know, so Ima is fine. Let's jump in and just see what we're getting into for the next 8 weeks. So what you're going to see is Leading Edge Certification Alliance. So the Alliance is composed with organizations such as computer using educators, universities such as Fresno Pacific, and ED organizations such as county offices of education. The Alliance is now countywide, or countrywide I should say, including voices. Today we're going to have people from Nevada and Texas joining our class. All right, so as we continue on, there are currently 4 areas of certification offered by LEC. Online and Blended Teacher, which is the course that you're taking, Leading Edge Certification for the Administrator. So these are for administrators in the 21st century schools, right? Which is everybody. And then Digital Educator. This is for the teacher that is fully in face-to-face classroom only and really just wants to learn tools to use in the classroom. And then we have Professional Learning Leader. We have a lot of coaches now for ed tech, and so Professional Learning Leader helps with the coaching. So today we're going to look at what is LEC, OBT for short, for the Online and Blended Teacher. But I wanted you to know that there were those other offerings as well. So what is LEC OBT? It's a professional development that was developed using the INACOL standards. INACOL, you're going to learn about in this course, are international standards for the International Association for K-12 Online Learning. Now, these standards are going to address areas like technical skill, but also active learning, collaboration, assessment, and instructional design. So we usually run 1 module a week, right? So we have 8 modules, making this an 8-week class. After all your modules are completed, you're going to prepare a portfolio at the end, which you are given 1 other week to complete. So that would make about 9 weeks. Now, what you're going to realize as we go through the course is that you'll be building most of your work for your portfolio as you complete each module. So each module includes a discussion board, a project, and a reflection. That's 3 for each module. So the course assignments will be pass or no pass. Those are your discussion posts. I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to post responses to them. I'll show you how to do that through a blog as well. You're also going to have weekly reflections. So these will be, again, pass and no pass. It's your portfolio assignments that are going to be scored on a 3-point rubric. And these portfolio assignments, all the rubrics are going to be found in Haiku. So I'll show you where that is as well. And so with the 3-point rubric portfolio assignments, as you complete them for each module, then you'll be able to just take those completed assignments and build your portfolio in the end. So what are these portfolio assignments? So in your second module, you're going to begin by building a Venn diagram, an online Venn diagram that's comparing like online versus blended versus face-to-face, right? In your third module, you're going to be looking at collaborative Google presentations on Web 2.0 tools. You'll be designing a class discussion that you would hold in your own online or blended classroom. You're going to be creating a video with an accessible presence. And then you're going to also build a comprehensive assessment plan. And then finally, you'll build an online syllabus that will ensure has all the ADA compliant components that are necessary for online learning so that it's accessible to all students. You can expect the workload to be about 6 to 8 hours per week. So the assignments that I talked about, generally depending on your work style, that's how long it will take you to complete these assignments, especially considering one module per week. All right, let's head over to our class. so that you can see what it is that we are talking about when we say, you know, like where you're going to submit your discussion boards and all of that. So let me just open up my window pane a little bit. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, which is going to allow me to videotape this course or this session. All right. So when you sign in, you're going to land on the welcome page. Any announcements are going to show up here right away. As you can see, a lot of the information you'll need to be successful in this class is right here. For example, if you want to see a list of the assignments, and when they're due, then you're going to tap on the welcome page and you'll see that it says assignment checklist. So you're going to go to the assignment checklist. And in the assignment checklist, you're going to see that we have all of our classes listed here. Excuse me, all of our modules and assignments listed here. Also, we have our class syllabus. So our class syllabus is here, and you'll be able to see what the expectations are for this class in the class syllabus as well. Okay, and finally, we have a professional connections page. Many of you have been filling out. This will help you in supporting each other as you complete assignments throughout this course. Some of them will be collaborative. So on this connections form at the bottom, you'll see the responses from your colleagues, and you'll be able to contact each other and use this information to connect. We also have a rubrics page. This is important for you to know for your assignments. For each assignment, there's a rubric. And so if you want to know the grading scale that I'll be using, please look at the rubrics here on the left for each module that we're covering. And then finally, you're also going to find a tutorials page. And on the tutorial page, you're going to find tutorials to help you with the different expectations of this class, especially the technological expectations. For example, I'm using screencasting with Screencast-O-Matic, so there's a tutorial here for you when you create your own online video. So each module is on a page, and so if we go to Module 1, and on each page, you're going to find the textbook readings for that module. Now, it's important that you keep up with the readings for each module. You'll be expected to use the information learned in the textbook in your responses to our discussions and questions and reflections. And so here where the globe is, you can click on this, and this will take you to the textbook. And then here's where you can read for this module the information that you need to help you complete the assignments. On the first page of each module, you'll also find the assignments for that module. So for our first module, you're going to see a discussion to introduce yourself. Now, I talked earlier about blogs and where to put this discussion. So we can see that 5 people have already completed this assignment by introducing themselves. So when you tap on here, where it says discussion, you create a new post, and if you have a blog, then you're going to put the link to your post, or the link to your blog. That's how you people will use your blog to kind of get to know you and find out more. If you want to learn more about blogging, I have a tab here that is about blogging your reflections, and you can use that to help you. Also, for this module, you're going to be completing a reflection. And so after all the readings, you want to then answer these questions in your reflection here. Okay. If you head over to, for example, I mentioned blogging, I do want to mention a protection that might be enabled on your browser. So if you are unable to see a video in your, it says there's a short video, but if you're unable to see the video, then check to see that your protections on your browser are taken care of, cleared. You can see there's a lock. If you tap on this lock, you want to make sure that you have given permission for this page, and then it will show you the videos. All right, grading. So grading, as I mentioned, you can look over in the grades tab, and I'll be using the rubrics. So you would check your grade books, and it'll show for your grade each assignment that is posted. Your grade will be next to your name and assignment. So you want to take some time to explore our class. And any questions you have, please feel free to use our class inbox that's under messages to connect with me and to write to me. All right. And finally, I'm pretty active on Twitter. You'll see my Twitter handle on the welcome page. So please feel free to follow me and share with me your Twitter handle as well. And other than that, I look forward to seeing you online.